Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the fan, identify and remove the 6 screws on the base cover. Loosen the 2 screws at the back of the cover and pry the cover away from the recess points near the hinges. Find and unplug the battery cable. Identify the fan and unplug the cables. Remove the 2 screws and lift the fan out of the system. To reinstall the fan, place it back in the system and install the 2 screws. Reconnect the cables and plug in the battery cable. Secure the base cover with the 8 screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.